The courtroom had been locked in a tense battle for days. Then a detective stepped forward with a piece of evidence no one expected. Within minutes, the entire direction of the trial changed. In 2019, a criminal case in Dallas quickly drew public attention. The defendant, Daniel Harper, was accused of a late-night robbery that left a store clerk seriously injured. Harper insisted he had nothing to do with the crime, but investigators believed the truth was hidden somewhere in the evidence. In the weeks before the incident, employees at the store noticed a man frequently visiting shortly before closing time. He would browse briefly, ask a few questions, and leave. At first, it seemed harmless, but investigators later wondered if someone had been studying the store's routine. One evening just before closing, the clerk was confronted by a masked suspect demanding money. A brief struggle broke out behind the counter. Moments later, the attacker fled, leaving the clerk injured and the store in chaos. Detectives immediately began reviewing nearby surveillance footage and interviewing witnesses. One camera captured a car speeding away minutes after the incident. The license plate eventually led investigators to Daniel Harper, but the real breakthrough came from something detectives discovered days later. Forensic specialists found a small piece of evidence at the scene, a glove left behind during the struggle. Inside the glove was DNA. When the results came back, the match pointed directly to Harper. During the trial, the defense argued that the evidence could have been planted or mishandled, but prosecutors presented the forensic results along with surveillance footage and witness testimony. Then a detective revealed how the glove had been recovered and preserved. The courtroom went completely silent. After reviewing the evidence, the jury didn't deliberate for long. They returned with a unanimous decision: guilty. The judge later sentenced Harper to decades in prison. Today, Harper remains incarcerated while his legal team continues to explore possible appeals. For investigators, the case became a powerful reminder that sometimes the smallest clue can decide the outcome of an entire trial. In the end, the trial wasn't decided by dramatic arguments in court. It was decided by one small piece of evidence detectives refused to overlook. Because in the justice system, even the smallest discovery can change everything. If you want to see more real courtroom cases and true crime investigations like this, be sure to watch the next story on this channel.